Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Wherever you go in Brazil, in the Amazon, you'll find that fire. This is a small fire set by a man who's cutting down a couple of acres of land. This is classic slash and burn.
Ooh,
Cutting
ooh,
down and burning
ooh.
trees not only clears the land, it releases nutrients into the soil, making the ground more fertile. It's an easy but
You got
destructive way
hiccups.
small-time farmers do business here. Like so many areas we've seen around the world, poverty plays a big role in habitat destruction. This is really the front line of deforestation. Even though these lands haven't been cleared and extremely affected, and the animals living aren't very affected by the fact that there are people living this abusive way. Very much so. At first glance, it looks like a relatively healthy forest. But just listen.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Here. Not much. No bugs. No bugs and insects.
Ooh, ooh.
The World Conservation Union says the Amazon is home to nearly 1,000 threatened species of plants and animals. But doesn't have nearly enough personnel to protect them all.
Yeah.
Back